Welcome in Hertog Jan at Botanic. I'm Gert de Mangeleer, the chef and founder of the Hertog Jan restaurant group. Last year we were moved to Antwerp and we opened a new fine dining restaurant, Hertog Jan, the center of Antwerp. We have a very small restaurant, we only serve 6 tables, it's quite intimate. And we are inspired by the Japanese Omakase philosophy. We don't cook Japanese, we especially use local products or just products from France, just across the border or the Netherlands. We use quite a lot of Japanese techniques and Japanese philosophy. So today we will start with 3 preparations from the Royal Belgium caviar. And the first one we will serve is, we call it caviar explosion. So first this flatbread caviar explosion. We call it caviar explosion because we use 4 different kinds of caviar. So first of all we use the caviar from the codfish. So it's the botarga, or so the eggs from the codfish that we salted them. We smoke them very lightly and then we dry them in the oven on 65 degrees until they are a little bit mushy so we can grate them. We use the salmon caviars, actually the salmon trouts. They are marinated in dashi, so we clean them with some water and then we marinate them in dashi that is perfumed with a very little bit of soy sauce. So that makes them less sticky and then they are more juicy. Then we have the lime caviar, and at the end we finish with the Royal Belgium caviar. This time we use the platinum. During the menu we always serve 3 different kinds of caviar. First one is the platinum, second one is the gold label, and then the third one is actually it's an ossietra that comes in the restaurant without salt, but that we salt ourselves with kombu, mirin, soy sauce and sake. So flatbread, a dark flatbread with dark beer and rye wheat. As the base for this we use the meat from the sturgeon. It's smoked sturgeon meat. So we make a kind of a rillette or a tartare from it. So we will whisk it with some sour cream, some chopped shallots and a little bit of lime juice. In my opinion, it's very important not only to use the caviar but also like the rest. So that's why we used, for example, a lot of smoked sturgeon meat. Because otherwise it's a bit pity that the animal is just killed for the caviar, of course. And so make sure we whisk it very well. It's a kind of a rillette with a slightly smoked note from the meat and then a creamy touch from the sour cream. Also the acidity from the sour cream and the lime juice works very well with the fattiness of the meat. So we take the flatbreads, a little bit from the smoked sturgeon meat. Like I said before, so the cod caviar, so the eggs from the cod, salted, smoked and dried. So we grate it on top of the sturgeon meat. A little bit of chives on top of the cod caviar. And then I always take it through another tray to work a little bit cleaner. The salmon trout eggs. As you can see, they are not sticky and they are a little bit puffed because of the dashi where they were marinated in. So they suck the juice and they are more juicy. Then we have the lime caviar. We divide it very well. Small dots, because it's quite strong and quite acid, that it doesn't overwhelm the dish. And at the end we finish the dish with Royal Belgian Platinum. Final results. Flatbread, caviar explosion. Enjoy it.